How to print and display P3 wide color mode from an iPhone or iPad for HP OfficeJet Pro printers. Compatible HP OfficeJet Pro printers allow you to print and display P3 wide color for enhanced color accuracy and more vibrant and true-to-screen prints. Display P3 is a wide color space that offers a broader color spectrum than the standard sRGB color space. Support for these color spaces means that the printer can accurately reproduce a broader spectrum of colors, resulting in more vibrant and lifelike prints. Remove any plain paper from the input tray. Load photo paper into the printer, print side down. P3 color mode printing only works with photo paper. Adjust the paper guides so they rest on the edge of the photo paper. Select Photo Paper on the printer control panel. Next, select the photo or photos you would like to print from your camera roll. If you are using the HP Smart app, select the Print Photos tile on the home screen. Then select the photo or photos. Photos taken on an Apple mobile device are automatically captured in P3. HP P3 mode only supports HEIC files and JPEG files less than 16 megabytes. Select the Share icon. Scroll down and select the Print icon. Select your printer. Verify that photo paper is selected. Adjust the number of copies, as well as the print quality and color settings. When you're ready, select the option to print. Your photo then prints.